Hello everyone, I'm Faral Imran and today I brought you some very exciting news about Apple. So, Apple made a model which is called 4M. So, in this video, I'll be telling you all about this model. So, stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss any information regarding it. So, let's get started. Here you see that Apple 4M AI model and it's revolutionizing multimodal AI for healthcare, education, and customer service. So scrolling down here, so let me tell you about what is 4M AI model. Now the 4M AI model is also known as the multi-modal machine learning model because it contains 4M, so that's why it's called 4M. So it's actually the Apple's latest breakthrough in AI technology. And here, this model, what it does, it integrates multiple types of data inputs, means you don't need to give just one type of data. Like you don't need to give one type of data, whether it's text or image or audio or video. You don't need to give that. Now here, you can give like multiple types of data. For example, you can give text with images or audio. You can give that in a single framework. For example, if you ask the AI, like, can you play the music for me and can you generate this image for me? So AI would understand and do it like how humans do. For example, whatever you say to humans, like, can you like draw me a picture or can you tell me about those events and even tell me about this song which was played? So the human knows it. So that's how AI would be able to comprehend the information. And here, for example, like imagine if the AI could understand and process information just like humans, it would be so amazing. And how it would transition between different types of data. So this what Apple's 4M AI model would do and it would aim to achieve. So how does it work? So this is it has advanced machine learning algorithms which will analyze and interpret the diverse data stream, means many type of data it would analyze and interpret. Before you see like how traditional AI models would often focus on a single type of data, like how, for example, you might have a model that's great at recognizing faces in photos but not so good at understanding spoken language. So that how the AI models used to be, like they were good at one type of thing, but the 4M AI model can handle multiple data types simultaneously. Like simultaneously, it can handle multiple types of data and making it far more versatile. Like, for example, if I said, like, you're using an AI assistant to help plan a trip, and for example, if it was a traditional AI, you would just have to type out your request and get the text based responses. But with the 4M AI model, you could speak your request. For example, you say, show a picture of your destination and even play a snippet of a local song. So the AI would understand and respond to all these inputs, which would provide a richer and more intuitive user experience. Means AI would understand everything. For example, if you want the text, the image, and even, for example, to play a song, like it would understand everything and it would do it according to it, which will make the user experience more amazing. And in real life applications, so how this 4M model would be used in real life applications. So first, it can be used in healthcare because how the 4M AI model can revolutionize the patient diagnosis and treatment. Means doctors can input the patient records, MRI scans, and even voice notes into the AI system, and then this model would process all the information together, which would provide then it would provide a more comprehensive analysis. Now, this approach can lead to more accurate diagnosis and personalized treatment plans, improving patient outcome. Means, like for example, the doctor is giving everything to the AI system, like the patient records, MRI scans, and even voice notes. And the AI system would then process all this information, and then it would provide the more accurate, like what is the problem or what is the diagnosis. So it would accurately diagnose this. So this is one of the example the 4MEA model can be used in. The second is used in education. So, for example, an education platform where students can learn through multiple modes. For example, if there's a student who's struggling with a math problem, well, math is actually a problem for most of the students. So if a student is, for example, struggling with a math problem, they can upload the picture of their work. For example, ask a question verbally, just say it instead of just typing it, and receive a video explanation in return. Means they can get a video explanation. Like the AI can give the video explanation about it. So the 4M AI model makes this possible, which is which will cater to different learning styles and enhance the students' learning experience. So the third would be customer service. So in customer service, the 4M EI model can handle complex queries more efficiently. For instance, for instance, a customer could upload a screenshot of an issue they're facing. For example, they describe the problem verbally, means they're saying, and receive a tailored solution. Now, this multimodal can significantly reduce response times and improve customer satisfaction. So they're saying what the future of AI with Apple 4M. So they say that this AI model is not just a technological advancement; it's a glimpse into the future of AI, and like by combining the multiple data input, it paves the way for more intuitive and human-like interactions with machines. So with machines, the interactions would be more human-like. Like it would feel like as if a human is understanding something. So, this model has the potential to enhance various industries from healthcare and education to customer service and entertainment. And I'll also show you the image, like how the 4M model would work. So, when I click on this, so here this is a normal vision model that can, for example, there's just an image and it would just conduct the things in it, and it could be like easily fine tuned into like special ed variants and also transfer well to unseen tasks and modalities. Whereas a multi-model, what it will do, for example, there's a caption. For example, there is a caption like resort and spa hotel in Napa. So here they see how they have created the image, and here they have done the segmentation and all this stuff. And here there was the caption of an oil painting of a blue flower. So from the text it has created the image, and here there was the image, original image of the one which was given. The image was given as data, and then here you see that this is the edited image. Like one side was colored green, but now one side of the wall is colored blue. So, because the caption was a small conference room with two sofas and a light blue wall. So, according to that, this was the edited image. You can use this model if you want. Like here, I'm at GitHub, and if I scroll down, here, this was the images which I showed you, and you can even install it. Like you can clone this repository and you can navigate to the root directory. You can even get started with it. Like they provide demo wrapper to quickly get started with using 4M models. And you can even expect you should they said you should expect to see an output like this. For example, the RGB, the normals, the segmentation, the edges, all this thing that is happening in the computer vision model. So here you can see the data, like how to get or how to prepare multimodal data sets. Here there's the tokenization, like how you can train the tokenizers. And even here they have how to train 4M models. And here you can use like how to use the 4M models for generation. And here there's model zoo, means, and there's also on Hugging Face, there's demo, which I'll show you now. So I'm here at the 4M demo, which is massively multimodal mask modeling. So here, this is the demo in which you can add your image or you can click to upload. So then you can predict with it. So for example, if I take this image of a bed or a building, for example, if I take the building, so here you can see how this vision model is working. What are the bounding boxes, like the normals, the depth, the RGB, like just RGB is red, green, blue, right? And the edges of it, the canny edges, the SAM edges, because these are the techniques which are used in computer vision model. So these type of it which are used. And here you can see the color palette, like what kind of colors are used, and so many things. The metadata, the caption, which was written for it, the building where the hotel is located. So this is the demo. You can even add your own images also to have a look at the model. So that is all for my side. Thank you so much.